You ever have to press that reset button? Ugh, me too. I am so tired. The last 3 years have been so tough. I haven't been traveling. I lost a really dear friend. The pandemic, lockdown, the chaos in the world is off the charts. So today, I'm away. Whoop. Yeah, look at that, baby. Panama. A room with a view. Hey, you. Yeah, you. Do you have cabin fever? Oh my God, it's been a long winter. I am so frustrated. So today, I got out in the workshop. I took a live edge cherry piece of wood and made a little tic-tac-toe board. It felt great to get creative again. Let's get crafty. I took some live edge cherry. I got it cut on the miter saw. I wasn't really too concerned about size. I just wing it, whatever looks good. And then I sanded it. You start off with 80 grit sandpaper and you work your way to 220. So with this project, my main obstacle is me, myself, and I. I know, right? Procrastination. Back in January, Friday Workshop said, hey, why don't we collaborate together? We're good friends. Let's do a video. I'm like, yeah, hell yeah. I would love to do a video. We've got this playlist going. We're doing games. I even picked it. I got to pick the date. I got to pick what we're doing. I picked games because I'm a player. Hello. Who doesn't like to play games? So I picked this date in January. I picked like, oh, how about the middle of May? Yeah, that's good. The middle of May. Like, let's procrastinate and put that date way out. Well, now it's due in a day. And yes, I did record the video, but I didn't do the voiceover. So now I'm in my hotel room in Panama on holiday. What the heck, Sandy? What the heck? I'm gonna use some dragon's breath. What the hell is dragon's breath, you ask? Well, it's my new product and it's magic. You take the jelly, you stipple it through the stencil, and what happens? Nothing. You let it dry for half an hour, but then the magic of science and art melding together to make a wood burning. And then you heat activate it with a 1000 or hotter heat gun. It takes all that guesswork and hard work out of the project, and you press the easy button. It doesn't matter about the wood grain. It treats it all the same. It doesn't like sink in. There's no sap pockets. You get to choose the consistency with the heat gun. You just heat it longer, make it darker, or back off with the heat gun and it won't go as dark. And no, you cannot use a torch or a blow dryer. The blow dryer doesn't get hot enough, and the torch, it just fries that puppy. Let's take it over to Grandma's and go play a game with her. Hashtag mom tic-tac-toe board, and say goodbye to Grandma, and have a quick game with her before I leave. Hi, Mama. You look beautiful, Mama. You look beautiful. Happy Mother's Day.
Oh, it's Mother's Day.
I thought we could have a little game of tic-tac-toe. Here you go.
Oh, is that ever nice?
It says hashtag mom.
Oh,
Nice.
it's still hot.
Yeah, it's still hot. I just finished it. It's hot off the press. What color do you want to be? Okay. And I will be red hot. Okay, you go first and you put, this is like a tic-tac-toe board. You put, okay, and I'm gonna So there, it's your turn. And I'm gonna block you. And you're gonna block me, and I'm gonna block you. No, you didn't win. I don't think anyone can win. Okay. Nobody wins. You go first. I'm a winner, Mama. I'm a winner. I love you, Mama. Love you. Happy Mother's Day. Mwah. And I will see you in a week. I will see you in a week, Mama.
Enjoy every moment of it.
I will. I will. It's gonna be a fun time with the girls. Fun time with the girls. Friends and family, that's what it's all about. I'm lucky. I got my mom. We built her a little granny flat right in my backyard. I get to be surrounded by her every day. And I have an amazing, amazing bunch of friends. I'm in a collaboration with some woodworking channels. We decided to make some wooden games. So if you're a player, go check out the link in my description below. Love you, bye.